unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Refrigerating tomatoes slows ripening but dulls their flavor. Cold temperatures reduce enzymes that create natural sugars and aromas, making tomatoes taste bland and less juicy. To keep the best flavor, store tomatoes at room temperature and only refrigerate once they're fully ripe to preserve sweetness and texture.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.